is going on, it's pretty clear that all these are making y over L go up, right? If I want to look at like output per person or output per man hour, some measure of productivity, productivity is growing for all these reasons, right? Why are we more productive than we were in the past? We got better technology, each worker has more physical capital, and workers have more human capital. That's all three of those add together to raise output per work. Right, everybody understands? Better technology to work with, more capital to work with, and you got more human capital, you're going to be able to produce more output per person. No question about it. Yeah?
Is LH a number of workers in the high skill category, or somehow the amount of skill accumulated by workers, but perhaps a small amount of very high skilled workers is equivalent to a large amount of moderately skilled workers?
It depends on how we're applying it at the moment.
Okay.
For now, let's kind of think of as numbers. Later, we'll come back and say, well, if it ain't all about numbers, what else might it be? And I think that's actually an important consideration, but we're not quite ready to do that. But for now, let's think about it as numbers, but I'll come back and say numbers ain't the right way to think about it, and it's going to have some important implications. So this is the three types of growth. Then I want to look at WH over WL. That is the wage of high skilled relative to the wage of low skilled. Well, because technology is biased toward high skill, that tends to raise it. Since pay is complements of high skill, substitute for low skill, that tends to raise it. However, the one response that tends to push it in the opposite direction is LH over LL. Okay? So one way to think about what's been going on over the long-term growth prospects is we've had better technology, which has induced capital deepening and induced human capital deepening. Now, when you think about that in terms of growth, these just reinforce this, right? We get a new technology. In response to that new technology, neoclassical growth model says you're going to add more capital. That raises output per worker even more. This new augmentation says not only are you going to add more physical capital per worker, you're going to add more human capital per worker. The second kind of capital deepening further increases output. So you have the technology that raised output, physical capital response, that further raises output per worker. Then human capital response further raises. All these things are accumulating together to help us grow. On relative wages of high and low skill, the first two are both raising the wage of high skill relative to low skill, but this is actually operating in the opposite direction. As we invest more in high skill relative to low skill, for the usual supply and demand reasons, that's going to be pushing the return to human capital back down. So one way to think about inequality within workers, which I think is really the place you want to think about, is it's about a race between these two forces that are pushing up wages of high-skilled workers relative to low-skilled, and the supply response, which is pushing them down. And there's two sides to the supply response. There's more high-skilled workers, that helps push down the relative wage. But there's also fewer low-skilled workers, which tends to push up the wage of low-skilled workers. Okay? So, one way to think about it is if this force, all this 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3, if 1 plus 2 is less than 3, WH over WL goes down. Actually, even though we got rising demand for high-skilled workers, supply is growing fast enough, relative wages of high-skilled will end up going down. 1 plus 2 greater than 3, WH over WL is going down. That's kind of the way to look at it. So it's kind of a race between the supply responding fast enough to keep the return to high-skilled workers down to its old level. Very much like the capital response in the neoclassical growth model. Although here we don't really have that same balanced growth path type result that's going to tell us that maybe this should stay constant one. And a model like this actually can go very far to understanding the facts that we see, for example, in the United States. If you follow the United States over time, what will happen is we'll go through a period where these two forces will roughly balance, returns to human capital work rising very much. Once we get beyond 1980 or so, supply appears to start growing much more slowly than demand. That is, this third force falls behind these two, relative wages start going up.